Hello.
Bite,
How are you?
umeze gute?
I'm fine.
Meze neza.
And you?
Wowe se?
I am a little tired.
Ndananiweho gato.
Do you speak Spanish?
Ese uvuga Icyesipanyolo?
Yes, I speak Spanish.
Yego, mvuga Icyesipanyolo.
Do you speak English?
Ese uvuga Icyongereza?
Yes, a little.
Yego, gike.
What's your name?
Witwa nde?
My name is Alex.
Izina ryanjye ni Alex.
Nice to meet you.
Ni byiza guhura nawe.
What are you doing?
Uri gukora iki?
Nothing.
Ntacyo.
Are you free?
Ese ufite umwanya?
Yes, I'm free.
Yego, mfite umwanya.
What do you want to do?
Urashaka gukora iki?
I'm hungry.
Ndashonje.
I'm thirsty.
Mfite inyota.
Do you want to eat?
Urashaka kurya?
Let's go eat.
Tugende kurya.
I have a reservation.
Mfite ububiko.
Please sit down.
Nyamuneka mwicare.
Do you want something to eat?
Ese hari ikintu ushaka kurya?
Do you want something to drink?
Ese hari ikintu ushaka kunywa?
What's there to eat?
Ni iki gihari cyo kurya?
I would like a pizza, please.
Nyamuneka nikundira ka pizza.
Do you like it?
Urayikunda?
I like it.
Ndayikunda.
It's delicious.
Iraryoshye.
Do you want some?
Urayishaka se?
Yes, please.
Yego, nyamuneka.
No, thanks.
Oya, urakoze.
Thanks for the food.
Urakoze kubw'ifunguro.
You're very kind.
Uri umuntu mwiza cyane.
How much is that?
Icyo nangahe?
It's cheap.
Kirahendutse.
It's expensive.
Kirahenze.
How was your day?
Wiriwe ute?
My day was good.
Niriwe neza.
My day was bad.
Niriwe nabi.
Where are you from?
Uturuka he?
I'm from the United States.
Nturuka muri Leta Zunze Ubumwe.
What city are you from?
Ni wowe mujyi uturukamo?
I'm from New York.
Nturuka muri New York.
How's your family?
Umuryango wawe umeze gute?
Very good.
Neza cyane.
Very bad.
Nabi cyane.
How many siblings do you have?
Ufite abavandimwe bangahe?
I have 2 sisters.
Mfite bashiki banjye babiri.
What are you thinking about?
Ese uri gutekereza ibiki?
I have homework.
Mfite umukoro wo mu rugo.
It's easy.
Uroroshye.
It's difficult.
Urakomeye.
What do you study?
Uri kwiga iki?
I study French.
Ndi kwiga Igifaransa.
What do you like to do in your free time?
Ese ni iki ukunda gukora mu gihe cy'akaruhuko?
I like to watch movies.
Nkunda kureba filime.
I like to travel.
Nkunda gutembera.
What time is it?
Ese ni igihe ki?
It's 1:20.
Ni 7:20.
I need to go to the airport.
Nkeneye kugenda ku kibuga cy'indege.
What's your phone number?
Nimero ya telefone yawe ni iyihe?
Call me.
Umpamagare.
I'll call you.
Ndaza kuguhamagara.
See you later.
Tubonane ubutaha.
See you soon.
Tubonane vuba.
Where is the exit?
Ni hehe basohokera?
Where are the taxis?
Ese taxi ziri hagana he?
To the airport, please.
Ku kibuga cy'indege nyamuneka.
Goodbye.
Murabeho.